Namaste. Myself, Sheetal Singh, Assistant Professor at Jayodit Vidyapeth in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So now, today's art we will. So in the previous topic, we have studied the pharmacology and pharmacodynamic, pharmacokinetic, and and we have also studied the receptor and the mechanisms, how the drug interact with the receptors. So today's our topic is adverse drug reaction, and after this we will know in this we will study about the adverse drug reaction, which there are different type of adverse drug reaction we will study in this topic. So definition of term associated with adverse drug reaction, ADRs, classification of ADRs, discussion on each type of ADRs with example. Definition. Adverse event or AE, any untoward medical occurrence that may present during the treatment with the pharmaceutical product, but which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with its treatment. Adverse drug reaction or ADR, any noxious change which is suspected to be due to a drug occurs at doses normally used in man required treatment or decrease in dose or indication caution in future use of the same drug. Therefore, an adverse drug reaction is an adverse event with a causal link to a drug. So, the drug administered, then the patient develop a new condition or symptom which is adverse drug event, then the drug suspected, then if yes, then check the literature, then document for the product or the case will be made, then high suggestive of ADR. Not documented in literature, then drug continues or drug discontinues. Worsening of situation or symptom if the drug continues, and any other possible causes. Concomitant therapy underlying the condition. Drug discontinued, symptoms improve, positively challenge, and then the drug restarted. Symptom reoccur is positive re-challenge. So adverse is untoward, unintended possibility, causes harmful, noxious. AE, adverse react event, effect on expenses, experience. ADE, adverse drug event, and AE, which happens in the patient taking a drug. ADR, adverse drug reaction, and ADE, in which the causal association is suspected between the drug and the event. So, ADEs versus ADRs are adverse drug events, and no need to have a causal relationship, but that adverse drug reaction is a causal relationship in the suspected and stabilized. So, depending on onset of event, acute is greater than 60 minutes, subacute is 1 to 24 hours, and latent is smaller than 2 days. Type of reaction, type A is augmented, B is braze, and C is chemical. Delayed, E is exit, familiar, generotoxicity, hypersensitivity, and unclassifying. Several minor, moderate, severe, lethal ADRs. Others are side effects, secondary effect, toxic effect, tolerance, idiosyncrasy, drug allergy, photosensitivity, drug dependency, drug withdrawal reaction, teratogenicity, mutagenicity, carcinogenicity, drug-induced disease is iatrogenic. So the classification of ADRs, Wills and Browns are type A, augmented, type B, brazil, type C, chemical, type D, delayed, type E, exit or anthem of treatment, and then type F is familial, then type G is generosity, type H is hypersensitivity, type U is unclassified. So in the augmented type A reaction which can be produced from the known pharmacology of the drug, dependency can be elevated by a dose reduction. For example, anticoagulant, bleeding, beta blocker, bradycardia, nitrates, headache, and protosin is postal hypotension. Then our next reaction we will study in this is type B reaction. Cannot be product from the pharmacology of the drug, not dose dependence. Host dependent factor important in the predisposition. For example, penicillin, anaphylaxis, anticonvulsant hypersensitivity. Type C chemical reaction is biological characteristic can be produced from the chemical structure of the drug and metabolite. For example, paracetamol hypotoxicity. Then type D is delayed reaction, occur after many years of treatment, can be due to the accumulation. Chemotherapy, secondary tumors, phantom during pregnancy, teratogenic effect. Antipsychotic is tardive dyskinesia. Analgesic is neuropathy. So type E reaction occurs on withdrawal especially when drug is stopped abruptly. For example, phantom withdrawal seizures, steroid withdrawal, adenocortical insufficient. Classification of ADRs depending on severity. Minor ADRs, no therapeutic antidotes or prolongation of hospitalization is needed. But in the moderate ADRs, require change in the drug therapy, specific treatment, or prolonged hospital stay by at least 1 day. Severe ADR are potential life-threatening, cause permanent damage, or require intensive medical treatment. Then lethal is directly or indirectly contribute to death to the patient. Side effect, unwanted but often unavoidable. Pharmacodynamic effect that occur at therapeutic dose, predicted from the pharmacological profile of a drug, known to occur in a given percentage of drug receptant. For example, side effect based on therapeutic effect. Atropine is pre-anesthetic, dryness of mouth. Acetazolamide, diuretic, bicarbonate excretion, and acidosis. Side effect based on a different action. Promethazine, anti-allergic and sedation. Estrogen is anti-ovulatory nausea. Depending on the context, codeine is antitussive, constipation used in the traveler's diarrhea. Now the drug discovery. Occasionally, adverse effect may be exploited to develop an entire new indication of a drug. For example, unwanted hair growth during minoxidil, treatment of severe hypertension patient, development of drug for hair growth. Sildenafil was initially developed as an anti-anginal, but its effect to alleviate the erectile dysfunction. A new drug indication is erectile tissue. Sulfonamide used as antibacterial were found to produce hypoglycemia and acidosis as side effect, development of hypoglycemic sulfonylurea and carboxylic anhydrase inhibitor acetazolamide. Now the secondary effect, indirect subsequence of the primary action of the drug, that is tetracycline, suppress of the bacterial flora, superinfection, corticosteroid, weaken host defense, activation of lateral tuberculosis. Toxic effect, result of excessive pharmacological action of drug due to overdose or prolonged use. Overdose may be absolute or relative. Absolute is accident, homicidal or suicidal, and relative is gentamicin in renal failure is the best example. Result from extension of therapeutic effect, for example, barbiturate, coma, digoxin, complete AV block, heparin bleeding. Functional alteration, that is atropine, is delirium. Drug-induced tissue damage, paracetamol is hepatic necrosis. Intolerance, appearance of characteristic toxic effect of a drug in an individual at therapeutic dose. Converse of tolerance indicate a low threshold of individual. For example, trifluomazine is single dose muscular in some individual, and carbamazepine few dose is ataxia in some individual. Chloroquine single tablet mimicking an abnormal pain in some individual. Now, our next term is idiosyncrasy, genetically determined abnormality reactivity to a chemical, certain raised drug effect due to peculiarities of an individual for which no definite genotype has been described are also included. Drug interaction with some unique features of the individual not found in majority subject and produce the uncharacteristic reaction. For example, barbiturate, excitement and mental confusion in some individuals. Quinine is cramp, diarrhea, asthma, vascular collapse in many individuals. Chloramphenicol is the example of aplastic anemia in rare individuals. Drug allergy, immunological mediated reaction, reducing the stereotype symptoms unrelated to the pharmacodynamic profile of the drug. Generally occur even with a much smaller dose, also called drug hypersensitivity. The type 1 is immediate anaphylactic IgA. Example is penicillin anaphylaxis. Type 2 is cytotoxic antibodies IgG, IgM. Example is methyl dopa hemolytic anemia. Type 3 is serum sickness IgG and IgM antigen antibody complex. And the example is procalamide induced lupus. So type 4 is delayed hypersensitivity T cell, for example, contact dermatitis, cell mediated immunity. Now, photosensitivity. Cutaneous reaction result from drug-induced sensitization of the skin to UV radiation. The reaction is of two types. First, phototoxic drug or its metabolites accumulate in the skin, absorb light and undergo a photochemical reaction resulting in local tissue damage like sunburn, arrhythmia, edema, blistering, hyperpigmentation. The examples of drugs in this is tetracycline and tar product, sulfones. Then second reactions is photoallergic drug or its metabolites induces cell-mediated immune response on exposure to the light. The example is sulfonamide and sulfonylureas. So this is all about this. Hope you will understand about the ADRs and all. So the some questions in the ADR should be: what are the severity in the ADR? What is the difference between ADR and the ADE, adverse drug reaction, and adverse drug event? Hope you will understand this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you and namaste.